Our household was Yiddish speaking, uh, and that brings to mind something embarrassing about myself. Uh, the first language that I spoke was Yiddish, and as I started school, I began to use English, but my parents spoke to me in Yiddish, and I would answer in English. Now, in thinking about that, as I have through the years, uh, my father had the notion that if I continued to be fluent in Yiddish, that would somehow imprison me on the kind of life that he had led. And he was eager for me to become successful in this new world. So he didn't do anything to encourage my fluency in Yiddish. And that must have been because of his misunderstanding of the value of having the, I can't explain it, but I was influenced by his not wanting me to be fluent in Yiddish. So when I came back to realizing what a treasure he represented, I was in my 50s, but it was not too late so that I was able to do something in relation to what he had been doing.